G'day guys. I thought this might be of interest. Fellow has emailed in this. David did up his GoldMonster, and yeah, I'm just having a look. It's a lot of email there. I just don't want to do. Yeah, you can see David's. It's to David, but anyway, here we go. I'm going to click this here. It should go to his test sheet. And there it is. We'll get it back off from that. Let's have a look. Hopefully you can see that. I might have to, oh dear. Hang on, maybe I click that. No, that's a bit of a laugh, isn't it? Hang on a second, how am I going to do that? Yeah, because it's got the scaling at the top and you can't read it. I don't know if you can see that. Dear. Oh, hang on a second. I can probably do that if I go down here. Can I do that? No, it doesn't work. Oh, there we go. I had to touch it and do it. There we go. We got results here for small coil and large coil. And they're the depths. And the test targets are here. Oh, God, there we go. You're going to have to zoom in. But, yeah, if you can see that, penny, half penny, 1966, around 50%, 50% silver. Yeah, I don't think I can scroll that. That is what it is. So if you can read that, there's all the test items, and there's all the test measurements before and after. So I thought was pretty good. There you go, get the whole lot in there. So if anyone's interested in how good the GoldMonster comes up, that is from a fellow that David did his GoldMonster. And I think I have seen this before, this list. I think it was on Facebook somewhere. But yeah, not many people will see it. So I thought that we can put it here. So yeah, all good. With the other thing, I've got something else here too I might be able to do on the iPad. Bear with me while I find it. It's about that fault with the detector in a previous video I put up. You can have a look out the window for a minute while I go and have a look for it. And it'll be in the email list somewhere. So there you go. You can see the hills around Ballarat in the distance there. If you're interested, you can see the house, part of the house roof and the neighbour's roof. Okay, I will find this. This is I'll have to be multi-handed here. There we go. Stick the fingers in front of the lens. Good job. Search. Hang on a sec. This is really disjointed, but I don't really care if you're hanging around and you want to see this guy's videos. Where are they? See more. I'll get them up. Let's go to find them. Detector test. Oh no, that's my video. Hang on, it's here somewhere. I'll find it. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. It's not there. I don't want to show all these private emails back and forth. But I did see it. It's going to be here. Hi, Woody. Yep. Okay. What's that? The private. Oh, that's right. Yep. I sent him a private link. That's mine. Oh, there you go. This is what happens. Here we go. Video 1, video 2. Okay. Hopefully I get these things going. Decrypting files. Let's make sure there's no... let's make sure there's no data in here. That okay. There, got it. I've got it. You listen to this. This was going crazy. So I'm going to try and get this to play. Have a listen to this. So that was one of the crazy videos. I think there's another one here too. That's video 1. You can have a look out outside again while I try and find video 2, because where are we? The back one. And video 2. Yeah, it just brings up a lot of information. So there you go, decrypting files. Just see where we are here. It's the second video. Make it big if I can. I don't know if that was a good idea. I think it will play. There we go. So that was the fault on the video. Sorry, the fault. Yeah, the video is of the fault. Try again. I don't hear any more of that. It's too much. But yeah. Now I'll just. Oh dear, I'm trying to turn the iPad off, it won't turn off. Oh, yeah, bonk. Yeah, anyway, I'm sitting in the upstairs in the bedroom, just chilling out. I was using the high definition camera too, so I don't know how that came out, but yeah, I thought be interesting to have a look at that video of that detector going crazy. It wasn't going that crazy here, but it was on the verge of it. So anyway, that's that. And yeah. Oh dear. You have a look at Ballarat. There you go, all parts thereof. That's north. Anyway. Look at this. We can actually zoom with this. Fantastic. That's all up around Little Bendigo up there in the hills, or in the arena. Lots of quartz reefs up around there. And over there, that's Black Hill. There. Little ticky-tacky village. New area. Yeah, I didn't know the zoom was so good on this. But yeah, all those areas around there. Yeah, good gold areas. As you can see, the Yarrawee Creek runs in the foreground there somewhere near the ridge. Yeah, it's Monte Cristo over that way. And you go right round, you can just about see the hill at Gordon, which is there. There it is, through the power lines. That's over towards Gordon. It's actually a gold area too. It's closer to Melbourne. A lot of people just don't know that, but it's good gold there. Lots of gold stringers. People find gold stringers in their backyards. Work that one out. So, anyway, guys, sunny Ballarat. Not. Yep, there we go. All good. So like I say, even just around here, there's heaps of gold areas all through this place. And if you go in the other direction, if you spin around, you're looking at Sovereign Hill. So anyway, leave it there. I'm not going to make a great whopping long video of Ballarat catches.